Well, we know we can catch some illnesses from other people. Can you catch something from your pets? Dr. Wendy King is at Spears Creek Veterinary Clinic, and the answer, you tell me, is yes.
Yes.
What are we talking about as far as who is susceptible to catching something from their pets?
So not everybody's going to get something from their pets. People with immunocompromised individuals, infants, and the elderly are more susceptible to zoonotic diseases, which are diseases that are transmitted between animals and humans.
Okay, so there are some specific diseases then that could be caught if you're in a compromised state. What are those?
Well, the most famous zoonotic disease is rabies, obviously. Old Yeller, everybody remembers that one. Toxoplasmosis is one that everybody knows is the litter box disease.
Yes.
It's pregnant women, and they get a reprieve from cleaning the litter box for 9 months because they could get toxoplasmosis from the cat feces. So that's a common one. One that hits home for me is roundworms. Those are the spaghetti-like worms that the puppies have. 80% of puppies have roundworms. Roundworms actually...
80% of puppies?
80% of puppies. And so if a roundworm gets into a child, an infant, they get lost in there and they go to different places.
Wow.
They'll go in their lungs and actually traumatize their lungs, damage them permanently. And if they end up in the eye, then the child is actually permanently blind in that eye.
Wow. All right, so what do we need to do to prevent that from ever happening?
Well, the CDC recommends that we deworm our pets once a month. And you think, well, gosh, that's kind of hard to do. But it's not, because you should already be giving your heartworm preventions. So we have like HeartGuard. HeartGuard has Plus, HeartGuard Plus. The plus part's the dewormer in it. So you're already doing it. You don't even realize that you're doing it. Like Iverheart Max. The Max is the dewormer. Revolution, don't forget your cats. Your cats can spread the diseases too, and your Revolution deworms them. But it also treats for fleas, and don't forget your ticks. Fleas carry diseases. Bubonic plague is still out there. That's, you have to treat for it. And the ticks, don't forget the tick-borne diseases. You got Lyme and Rocky Mountain spotted fever. All of those diseases are considered zoonotic diseases.
So while this is concerning, if we stay healthy ourselves and if we keep our pets healthy with these types of products...
And wash your hands, scoop the poop from the yard. That's a very important thing to do. And a lot of it comes from sandboxes, kids playing in the sandbox. So you want to get one of those that has a cover on it so that the cat can't go poop in the sandbox.
That's naturally where a cat would want to go. Yeah. All right, Dr. King, wonderful information. Thank you so much. And to watch the full interview again, follow me on Twitter. I'm at Dawndy WISTV. On Facebook, I think we got a graphic if you can pull that up. Facebook.com/Dawndy WISTV. I'll post this interview on these a little later.